Your 20s are a crucial time for setting the foundation of your future success, but are you unknowingly sabotaging your own potential? Discover the top 11 bad habits that could be holding you back from reaching your full potential and learn how to break free from them once and for all. Welcome to Beginner's Friend. Before we begin, it's important to understand why your 20s matter so much. This is the time when you have the energy, enthusiasm, and opportunities to make significant strides in your life. It's a period of self-discovery, learning, and building a foundation for the years to come. In this modern world of comfort and instant gratification, it's easy to fall into habits that can hinder your progress. The constant availability of distractions and the allure of quick dopamine hits can be detrimental to your 20s. But fear not. Today, we'll dive into the 11 most common bad habits you should avoid or overcome during this pivotal period. Let's get started. Habit number 1: intoxication. The first bad habit we'll discuss is intoxication. Many people in their 20s tend to experiment with alcohol and drugs, which can lead to dependency, impaired judgment, and a decline in physical and mental health. While it's okay to indulge occasionally, excessive substance use can hinder your personal and professional growth. Avoid falling into the trap of using intoxicants as an escape, and instead focus on healthier alternatives like exercise, hobbies, and pursuing meaningful relationships. Habit number 2: procrastination. Procrastination is another habit that plagues individuals in their 20s. With an abundance of distractions and a constant stream of entertainment at our fingertips, it's easy to put off important tasks and delay personal growth. Overcoming procrastination requires discipline, prioritization, and setting clear goals. Learn to manage your time effectively, break tasks into smaller, manageable parts, and hold yourself accountable to ensure you make progress towards your aspirations. Habit number 3: excessive screen time. In this digital age, excessive screen time has become a common habit that can hinder your 20s. Spending countless hours on social media, gaming, or binge-watching shows can lead to wasted time and decreased productivity. Strive for a healthy balance by setting boundaries for your screen usage. Allocate specific periods for productive work, learning, and personal development, and remember to engage in real-life experiences and face-to-face interactions. Habit number 4: financial irresponsibility. Financial irresponsibility is a habit that can haunt you well beyond your 20s. It's crucial to develop good money management skills early on. Avoid overspending, unnecessary debts, and impulsive buying. Create a budget, save regularly, and invest wisely. Seek knowledge about personal finance and build healthy financial habits that will set you up for a secure and prosperous future. Habit number 5: unhealthy lifestyle. Your 20s are a time to establish healthy habits that will benefit you for years to come. Neglecting your physical and mental well-being can have long-term consequences. Prioritize regular exercise, maintain a balanced diet, get sufficient sleep, and nurture your mental health through practices like meditation or therapy. Remember, a healthy body and mind contribute significantly to your overall success and happiness. Habit number 6: neglecting personal development. It's easy to get caught up in the routine of life, neglecting personal development in the process. In your 20s, take the time to invest in yourself. Continuously learn new skills, explore your interests, and seek out personal growth opportunities. Attend workshops, read books, take online courses, and surround yourself with inspiring individuals who challenge you to become the best version of yourself. Habit number 7: fear of failure. The fear of failure is a habit that can hold you back from reaching your full potential. In your 20s, it's essential to embrace failure as a valuable learning experience. Take risks, Step outside your comfort zone and view setbacks as opportunities for growth. Remember, some of the most successful individuals have faced numerous failures along the way. Embrace failure, learn from it, and keep moving forward. Habit number 8. Living for others' expectations. It's easy to get caught up in societal expectations and live your 20s according to someone else's standards. However, this can lead to a lack of fulfillment and a life that doesn't align with your true desires. Habit number 9. Surrounding yourself with negative influences. Your 20s are a critical period for personal growth, and the people you surround yourself with play a significant role in shaping your mindset. Stay away from toxic relationships or friendships that hold you back. Instead, seek out mentors, positive role models, and supportive friends who inspire and motivate you to become the best version of yourself. Habit number 10. Lack of goal setting. Your 20s are the perfect time to define your long-term aspirations. Without clear goals, you may find yourself drifting aimlessly. Take the time to identify your passions and ambitions, and set achievable milestones to reach them. Remember, a well-defined roadmap will significantly increase your chances of success. Habit number 11. Neglecting relationships. Lastly, don't overlook the importance of nurturing meaningful relationships during your 20s. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and neglect our loved ones. Invest time and effort in building strong connections, maintaining friendships, and cultivating a support system. These relationships will enrich your life and contribute to your overall well-being. Your 20s present a unique opportunity for personal and professional growth, but it's essential to be mindful of the habits that can hinder your progress. By avoiding or overcoming these 11 bad habits, you can pave the way for a successful and fulfilling future. Remember, the choices you make today will shape the person you become tomorrow. So, take charge of your 20s and make the most of this transformative phase in your life. And watch this video to discover the 9 most important habits which anyone must adopt to achieve success in this present world of 2024.